Good afternoon, students. Today I am going to teach you the lesson The Lost Child, which is written by Mulk Raj Anand. Mulk Raj Anand is an Indian author. He was born on 12 December 1905. He has graduated from Punjab University and he has taken PhD degree from London University. He has written the story The Lost Child. It is a psychological child study in which he had described that how a child had felt when he had lost his parents. As you know that all the child are connected to their parents very deeply. They felt secure in the presence of their parents. When they lost their parents, they felt very sad. They become very regretted. In this story, there was a child who had lost his parents. In the last of the story, he started sobbing. He did not like anything. Only he wanted to meet his parents. Now, I am going to tell the summary of the lesson, The Lost Child. The story of this lesson is that it was the festival of spring. It was the festival of spring. It was the festival of spring. 100 of people, men, women, and children went to visit the fair. 100 of people, men, women, and children went to visit the fair. They were colorfully dressed. They were colorfully dressed. Some rode on horses. Others sat in the bullock cart. Some rode on horses. Some sat in the bullock cart. The rest walked all the way. The rest walked all the way. A little boy was also going with his parents. A little boy was also going with his parents. He was very excited. He was very excited. He was often left behind. He was often left behind because toys in the shops attracted him. Toys in the shops attracted him. His parents had called him again and again. His parents had to call him again to again. The boy wanted to have a toy. The boy wanted to have a toy. But his parents refused to buy him anything. But his parents refused him to buy anything. Then he was fascinated by the flowering mustard field. Then he was fascinated by the flowering mustard field, spread miles and miles of even land. Then he was very attracted to the miles of mustard land. The butterflies and dragonflies. The butterflies and dragonflies are caught the boy's fancy. The butterfly and the dragonflies are caught the boy's fancy. The parents rested. The parents rested in the shade of a grove. The parents rested in the shade of a grove. The boy ran toward them. The boy ran toward them. A shower of flowers fell upon him. A shower of flowers fell upon him. He began to collected them. He began to collected them. It means he began to collected the flowers. After some time, they reached into the fair. After some time, they reached into the fair. At the corner of the entrance, was a sweet shop. At the corner of the entrance, there was a sweet shop, and the shopkeeper was selling barfi and jalebi, etc. And the shopkeeper was selling barfi and jalebi, etc. The child was very excited. The child's mouth watered for the barfi, but he knew that his parents won't buy him. But he knew that his parents won't buy him his favorite barfi, because he liked barfi as a favorite sweet. Then he was drawn to a flower seller. Then he saw a flower seller. He wanted to take a garland from the flower seller. He wanted to have a garland. He told to his parents to buy a garland, but his parents again refused to buy the garland. Then he was carried away by the silken colored balloon. Then after that, he saw a balloon seller who was selling different colors of balloons. Then you can say that he was carried away by the silken colored balloons. After some time, he stopped where the snake charmer was playing his flute to a snake. After some time, he stopped where the snake charmer was playing his flute to a snake. Finally, you can say that he also wanted to enjoy the playing of a snake, but his parents refused to do this. Next, he was the people going round in a roundabout. He was the people were going roundabout to enjoy. He also requested to his parents to enjoy the roundabout. His parents also refused. Then he started to watch continuously to roundabout. It means he was totally noticed about the roundabout, and his father and mother went from there. He called out to his mother and father, but he did not find to them. It means we can say that finally he was the people going round in a roundabout. He called out his parents to enjoy the roundabout, but he did not find his parents he called out his parents, but there was no sign of them. When he started to calling to his parents, there was no sign of them. The child was filled with tears. It means the child was filled with panic. The child was filled with panic. He was lost in the fear. He was lost in the fear. Tears round down from his eyes. Tears round down from his eyes. He ran in all directions. He ran in all directions to search them. He started to wailing and crying. He started to wailing and crying out, "Mother, father." He started to crying, wailing and crying out, "Mother and father." At last he defeated. At last he defeated. He was unable to find his parents, and sobbing, and he started to sobbing. He was searching his parents and sobbing continuously.